This video teaches you how to split the data within a cell, or group of cells, based on a delimiter in Microsoft Excel. Click the Data tab. Click and drag the mouse over the cells you want to split. Click Text to Columns. Select Delimited or Fixed Width. Delimited separates the values of a cell based a delimiter such as a comma or tab. Each side of the delimiter will go into its own cell. Fixed width separates the values into columns with spaces between the fields. Click Next. Select a delimitator. Click Next. Select a column data format. Click the arrow next to the Destination drop-down menu. Highlight the cells where you want to put the results. Click the small arrow. Click Finish. The selected cells are now split based on the selected delimiter, and the output now appears in the sheet. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.